Good morning, students. Today we are starting chapter 5 from your English grammar book, and the name of the topic is adjectives. So, children, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns or pronouns. Or we can say an adjective is a word used to qualify a noun or pronoun, or qualifying words are known as adjectives. For example, it is a good idea to recycle old newspaper and magazines. So here the word good and old are adjectives. Groundwater is an important source of fresh water. So here important is the kind of adjectives. Understood? Now I will tell you about the types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality or qualitative adjectives. For example, they shows the quality like good, bad, red, black, tall, short, beautiful, ugly, long, etc. are the adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity, or we can say quantitative adjective. These adjectives shows the quantity. Some, any, no, little, much, all, whole, enough, sufficient, none, must, etc. are the examples of quantity or qualitative adjectives. Now the adjectives of number or numeral adjectives like 1, 2, 3, etc. Next, last, first, second, third. Many, few, various, several, etc. are the adjectives of number. Now the proper adjectives. For example, Indian, American, Chinese, etc. are some examples of proper adjectives. Now the possessive adjectives. What are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives shows the possessions that indicate the possession are called the possessive adjectives like my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Now the distributive adjectives like each, every, either, neither are the examples of distributive adjectives. Now the next is demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those, such, the same, some, any, a certain, any other, and another are the examples of demonstrative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives like what, which, whose are interrogative sentences. Interrogative adjectives. And the last one is emphatic adjectives like own, very. Now we will discuss the topic degree of comparison. When we want to compare two or more nouns with the same attribute, we can change the form of adjectives to show the comparison. These forms are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree of an adjective is the simplest form of the adjective. This is used when we simply describe a noun without comparing it to other nouns. For example, the weather is pleasant today. It was cool at night. Now the comparative degree. The comparative degree of an adjective is used to compare two nouns with the same quality. The comparative forms of adjectives is made either by adding the suffix er to them or the word more before them. We use than or to with comparative degree of adjectives. For example, today was more pleasant than yesterday. My brother Mayank is elder to me by 5 years. And the superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective is used when we compare a quality shared by more than two nouns. The superlative forms of adjective is made either by adding the suffix est to them or the word most before them. We use the definite articles the before the superlative degree. For example, we thought Atul's idea was the smartest of all. So here we add the article the and est to make the superlative degree. The day we went trekking was the most pleasant day of our trip. The most pleasant is the superlative degree. My sister Ria is the youngest in our family. Clear? So children, we have completed our topic adjectives. I hope that you all have understood it. So now I will send you the notes of the same chapter and also the book exercises. So you have to fill in it in your book itself. Thank you.